Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I got another tool haul for you. It's just a few items. I will stop by Harbor Freight and Home Depot and took advantage of some of the coupons for the Inside Track Club member that I got offline. And if you notice, I got a new camera set up. Hopefully the videos and audio's a little better, so let me know what you guys think. It's a GoPro Hero 7. So yeah, instead of using my cell phone that I was using. So let me know what you think, and let's get into these tools. Alright, so first up, a couple things from Harbor Freight. Of course, I always walk out with the free item. Got the tarp, and yeah, that's that. I got the 3-jaw puller set, which is a 3-inch, 4, and 6-inch. This was on sale for $14.99. It was originally $19.99. I don't have any pullers like these, so figured pick these up. Make sure all the pieces are here. Pretty self-explanatory. Double end hooks. Not too bad. Next up is the Warrior woodworking router bit set. This is a 15-piece. Normally this is $39.99, and the coupon brought it to $29.99. So definitely not too bad. Comes in a nice wooden case. It's not glass, but definitely a decent little case. Stick to it, but I like how it's easy to take them out. I like how that swivels like that. Definitely don't seem too bad of quality. Yeah, they're kind of wedged in here. This is called like a, what does it say, a Roman ogie with bearings. They all have the bearings on them. Well, most of them. But as you can see, this is what it comes with. Definitely a decent little set for 30 bucks. Yeah, I was always skeptical of the quality of Warrior, but they definitely don't seem too bad. Sometimes you get what you pay for, but start off with, it's definitely not too bad. And lastly, I picked up the compact router from Milwaukee. This is the tool only. I got this from Home Depot. Had my eye on this for a while, you know, just to expand the woodworking and all that. It's like little, the knob handles. Not exactly sure what that's for yet. Comes with the 2 wrenches, or yeah, here's the other one. 7/16 and 11/16. And the chute for the dust collector. There's a nice base plate. I think out of all the 3 top brands like DeWalt and Makita, I think the Milwaukee has the most accessories for it that it comes with bare tool. Here it is. The adjustments. RPM adjustment goes up to 6. I think the max RPM is like 31,000. It's got 1.25 horsepower. Yeah, 10 to 31,000 RPMs. 1/4-inch collet, all that. It's 1.5 inch depth capacity. Make your micro adjustments here. Definitely seems more user friendly with for a right-handed person, but this is not too big of a deal if you're lefty. Got the quick latch to take the router out of it, actually. That's nice. The lockdown so you can tighten it. I want to throw a battery in here just to hear it, how it sounds. I'll probably make a little sample video of it in action. Yeah. Let me grab a battery. Okay, so I got, we're gonna try with the 5 amp and 2 amp here. I feel like using the 2 amp, it'll just keep the tool light, but I don't know how long it would actually last. So it's nice, it's got the 2 LEDs on it, like the work area. seems weird because it seems like the max RPM is at dial indicator 5, and then when you hit 6, it doesn't even change RPMs. So I wonder if there's only 5 adjustments. Not quite sure. There's in betweens like of 1, 2, 3, and 4 is all in between, so it's definitely progressive and all that. Definitely feels a lot heavier. Definitely seems to spin faster with the 5. Oh yeah, for sure. Well, that was my little unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll get a demonstration video out. See how it goes. But until next time, later.